Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So you guys are watching e-learning with Suruchi, and if you are the new viewer, then you please go and like to my channel. Don't forget to press the subscribe icon. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's get started. So in this particular video I will be show you some LaTeX code to insert mathematical equation using equation environment. Okay, so I'm using equation begin equation to insert a equation inside the LaTeX document. So I will show you how you can do it. First you have to write slash document class. So this is the preamble part. Okay, article bracket close and then enter. Begin document, enter non-indent. The ends of the words and sentences are marked by space, full stop. It doesn't okay. So I have used double slash over here just to just to change the statement, just to change the sentence, the line of the sentence. If you don't put slash over here, then the word will start continuing and it will not stop. If you want to change the paragraph, then you must have to write slash over here, double slash, so that you can change it out. Now press enter. I've pressed 2 times enter because I just want to write in a separate line approximately, okay, with the greatest width. Okay, one or more blank lines. You can add some other statement also here. I'm just showing you I'm just demonstrating with a sample that how would you make a insert a mathematical equation inside the LaTeX document. You just need to see the process how I'm doing, then only you are able to do each and everything very properly. And I don't even think after watching this particular video you will face any kind of problem while doing this question whenever it came in your exam or somewhere else while you're learning. This is the very easiest way of LaTeX to insert any kind of equation in your LaTeX document. Okay, I just want to write containing mathematical equation. Okay, I am completed with this. Now I will begin a equation. So on my previous video, if you didn't see that, please go and watch. I have used a dollar sign to write a equation on the center, but in this case I'm writing begin equation. I'm not using the math mode, I'm using begin equation environment. Okay, so you can use dollar, double dollar also instead of begin equation, but I've made a video on that also. If you don't understand, please go and watch on that, you will get an idea regarding this. So I'm writing ax square plus bx plus, so I'm writing a linear equation. Then enter and then end equation. I just want to write up only this kind of equation, then that's why I just want to end that, because I've completed my equation. If you did not complete the equation, please don't write end equation. Okay, after the completion of your equation you will write end equation. Okay, because no, there are lots of mathematical equations which are so long, right? So what will you do at that time? You are not able to end up equation in a middle. You have to end up equation up to the last whatever you did. If you just end up at the middle, then you will definitely get error while running, and it will definitely show you some error. So if you don't want any kind of error, so you have to very clear about what you are writing. Okay, document. I'm ending my document because I've completed my document. So that's it. I did begin document and then end document, and after that for the equation I have used begin expression environment. You can also use double dollar over here to put this particular equation at the center. I have used this arrow over here, that means it's a square, that means x square plus bx plus c. And this is the LaTeX document containing mathematical equation. So this was it. Now I just want to save it. You have, without saving it can't be run. One more thing, I am using Wincell. You can use TextMaker also to write this particular LaTeX code, but that is also very good, but I feel comfortable in this, that's what I'm using, Wincell. So I just want to save it with equation mode. Equation mode. I just want to save it out, so I have saved it on downloads. You can also download it on anywhere in your system, it doesn't matter. You just have to save this particular document to execute. Okay, now click on execute and see is there any error or not. For checking error, you have to click on execute and then LaTeX. So there is most probably no error, you can see. There is no error. Now click on PDF view. Let's see what happened. I'm using Adobe Reader. Okay, you can use some other. See, it's very good, you know. So if you want equation 1, so what I did for the equation 1, I have used label equation. See, I've used I've used equation. So if when you are using equation, then it will show you a label. But if you are not using equation, only double dollar, then it will never show you the label. Okay, so if you want the equation with labeled, then you have to use equation environment. So what has been came, this was it. So this was the main motto of my video, to show you how to write equation at the middle of your page with the labeling equation 1 and equation 2. So this was it. If you liked this video, please like on that and do subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. You will get notification very fast, and I just want to see you again on my video. Thank you so much. Ask your queries on my comment box. I will be there for you regarding this particular LaTeX. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.